Howdy how-to partners! Today's video we will be reviewing 3 different rhetorical devices. It's a figurative language flash sheet. We're going to be going over their implications and their effects. The first device is metaphor. A metaphor is an open door, a curt comparison that explores and explains the object in phrase simply spoken. A metaphor equates 2 things to be symbolically the same. Example: my father is an apple tree. My mother is a honeybee. My brother is a cool glass of iced tea, refreshingly sweet, buzzing with caffeine. And then there's me, a strawberry, flushed red cheeks, sometimes sour, sometimes dour. See, a metaphor is an open door we walk through when we want to expand our stance, our stanzas. Metaphors make the writing more exciting by introducing interesting images. The second device is simile. A simile is like a metaphor with 2 words attached. A simile must use the words like or as. Similes aren't as blunt as a metaphor may be. Rather, similes sway readers like a light breeze. A simile is like an open door. The open door is rattling in the wind like a dandelion in drift. The hinges are shaking as the San Andreas fault is quaking. Similes spark images in your reader's brain in a more subtle way. Are we clear? Clear as day, you might say? Let's move on. 3. Hyperbole. Hyperbole is the most significant, most used, and most magnificent tool of all tools. I'm kidding. Kind of. Hyperbole is an exaggerated claim, often overstated. It's not meant to be serious. In fact, it's far from literal. So take it with a grain of salt when I say this is the best chocolate malt in the entire world. I probably just mean on this side of the city, but we see it all the time when we say things like, this has been the best day of my life, or she runs at the speed of light. The point of hyperbole is to get your point across, no matter how excessive or frivolous it is encouraged you be 125,000% ridiculous. Let's review. 1. Metaphor. A comparison driven by an image with like or as omitted. 2. Simile. A softer comparison with like or as written. And then 3. Hyperbole. A persuasive exaggeration that requires wild imagination. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned. We're going to have a follow-up on figurative language coming out soon. If you liked what you just saw, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You can turn on our notifications to be the first to know when a new video comes out. Bye.